So today, I am hiking Schoolhouse Gap Trail up to Chestnut Top Trail Junction, and then I'm coming back down Schoolhouse Gap, and then I'm going down Turkeypen Ridge, and then I forgot where I'm going from there. I'll tell you when I get there, but I'm just trying to check off trails, and I've already done Chestnut Top, so just trying to get to the junction and backtrack to do some new trails. So it's starting to snow. I made it to the junction of Chestnut Top, but I'm going past it because it says 0.2 miles to Schoolhouse Gap. So I'm assuming this is technically still part of the trail, so I'm gonna do that and then turn back around because I guess it just comes to an end. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But snow! Apparently it comes out to a road. Alright, back I go. Okay, I just saw a bear on the trail. It just took off running. Let's see if I can see him again. He saw me and turned around. Bear, bear, bear. Where are you at, bear? Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. This is where I saw him. Okay, so I got this little stream crossing to get over there. I'm hoping I can manage not to get my feet soaking wet, because still got quite a ways to go before I'm done with today. Okay, so this is part of the trail. I've got to go over there to get to Finley Cane. Then I have to come back because I got to take Crib Gap back and forth. Oh, fun. So I hit Finley Cane Trail, came back to Schoolhouse Gap slash Crib Gap. Sorry, my mouth is so cold. Trail, and I'm going down Crib Gap Trail to where it connects to Anthony Creek, 1.6 miles. Then hiking the 1.6 miles back to that junction, and taking the rest of the 0.2 miles of Schoolhouse Gap to connect over to Finley Cane or whatever again. And I'll get back to you. Alright, so I made it back to Turkeypen Ridge, across the street over to a little side trail that goes to Finley Cane. I don't know if it's technically Lead Cove Trail or if it's this Finley Cane Trail. I don't have a clue, but I'm on it, and it'll connect me back where I left off when I did the out and back, just to hit Finley Cane and came back. And then I'll hike that to Bote Mountain Trail, and then Bote Mountain Trail back to my car, and I'll be done with all this insanity. Made it to Bote Mountain Trail. I don't know how much further I have. And so recap of everything today was I got to see a bear. I saw 3 deer. They ran across the trail twice. That was really cool. It's been snowing / raining pretty much my entire hike. It started with rain earlier this morning, and then it turned to snow, and it's been snowing since. My feet have been soaked for more than half my hike. I've been slogging through mud the majority of the time. And I lost my bandana again because I swear I lose more bandanas than I can count. Alright. So this morning hiked up Jake's Creek to Meigs Mountain Trail, and I'm hiking that to I don't know where, because it's an out and back and I don't know how far I feel like going, but it's beautiful out today. It's so quiet. I mean, you can't hear a sound. It's like I've gone deaf, except for the crunching of my feet. Maybe I'll see some wildlife today. So I made it to the junction of Meigs Mountain Trail and Lumber Ridge Trail. I wish I could have been going down Lumber Ridge, but of course I don't have a shuttle because people bailed on me. So now I gotta go back up and go, what was it? Like another 6.63 miles back to my car. Alright, see ya. Well, I'll be darned. Look what's finally showing. Some blue skies. Woo!